Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. On the doing, if you're new, please go ahead to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and share the video. Like, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you're always watching, hey, well, go and pick up on yourself. Yeah, so I am home from work. I went to work today, and my hairstyle, it never looks so bad this morning. This morning it was curled up, but as I said, by the time I leave my house to go to work, the taxi and the breeze, everything just disappear. I don't know where, but yeah. So this morning it look okay. I love this morning. I'm going to the room, babe, like, where you going to put the hairstyle? I don't know, but as I said, when this morning when everything was done, it never looked so bad. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a vlog for you guys. This vlog might be all over the place. Hopefully not. I really hope not. But we're gonna jump right into whatever is happening now. Okay, so the first thing is happening now. Grizzle as usual there. I play a game that will never change. Yep. So what's happening next after this current situation? Noted. Alright, let me show you what's happening next. Alright, what's happening next is me having some cup soup. Hungry bags. Hungry. Today for lunch I had lettuce and ackee, and that was lunch today. And I got home and I was like, you know what, I need something to munch on. Sadly, I would have loved to munch on some fruits, but there's no fruits here, so yeah. Them always say cup soup not good for you, but I mean, like, how factual is that? How factual? We don't know. Nobody never proved it for that. It's nobody not know that, but cup soup kind of have a buzz. I think so. Especially you're dead hungry. Cup soup have a buzz. Have a buzz. Have a buzz. What happened to your tongue, my friend? Have a buzz. The fly there, buzz. Move. So, and guys, that's the end of the cup soup done. Oh, what is that, babe? You find what you look for? So, you know about that one? Alright, me I burn up. Me have a few other things to do, so I'm gonna jump into that right now. So right now, guys, oh my god, my hair coming a record because what I'm trying to keep in here clean. In here just always can't stay clean, because when clothes wash, all of them something, everything just throw it out. But the bed, I'm not clean clothes. I just remember these are stuff on the bed because I have a little packing for them. My heart. What I going for the weather? What I going for the weather? No man. I'm having like a piece of uku fantasy in here, and I have no use. So I have some packing to do. So the clothes have a whole lot of stuff put on it. I think I'm gonna do the packing in this video, and I have to look for a wig because I'm not sure which wig I want to wear. For whatever is happening. So I have one wig. Now let me say fix it up. Now one next wig. I have one red wig with the color in there. Now if I that wig I wear. I need to see check out my Instagram or check out Snapchat to see like memories and see when last I wear whatever wig. So that I'm gonna do and then come back. Alright guys, so up on the iron board and I'm gonna sort through the wig them with Uno. Basically I'm kinda trying to figure out which wig I want to wear for this weekend, the whole whatever is gonna go on. So I have this kind of my newest wig, the one for graduation thing. So I have this one, but thirsty. Quit. What if I walk that's the alright, I have this one I'm recently kinda cut, I'm not sure. This one, yeah. You know, this was a bad idea when I bleached this wig. It's just it made me hardly want to wear it. It make it thirsty. If you don't know what is out there, I can use to rejuvenate my kinky wig because I bleach it. I know it's so thirsty. I know I don't know what to do with it. I know I hardly want to wear it. So that's out of the picture. I was thinking, no. I was more thinking about this one. Like, when last I wear this one? I'm gonna think about this one. Like, we could do this one. I'm gonna bleach this part, and then we could have curl it up with the wand. I was thinking about this one, but not sure. Alright, only the red wig left in the bag, and so. Well, is it this one or not this one? Not this one. Not this one. Or this one, but this have to go 4 more. And I was thinking about this one, but still not sure. Like, I'm still not sure if it's this one. This at first I did something to think about, but I think I want to curl up me because a long time I not really curl up. So this one would be a good catch. This one. Talk to it. No, look at this. Look at this. What that's some that's something that got to red with it. Take it to it. Look on the wig. No, it all itch me because it's thirsty. So, but you know, when good girl wash it and sort it out, it won't look like this. You guys would not believe that it's actually this wig. Or this one. This one now easy. One watch this. So why do you watch this, you know? But then watch this. So this one be nice if I curl up this one. I gotta figure out and see what I gotta do. Yeah. I need to bleach it. I don't know what I do. Oh, I think more than one here because the one here the nice to curl up with the rod. So I have to figure that out. And then see what I gotta do. What I gotta do look up packing. So guys, right now I'm gonna do look up packing. So basically this is like a pack with me segment of the video. Yeah, I'm going somewhere. Stay tuned for the vlog to know where I will be going. It's going to be like, you know, assume, but I don't predict. I am predicting how everything is going to be. We know me have vlogs. Well, at least I'm going to try to have vlogs on vlogs on vlogs on vlogs on vlogs on vlogs. So anyways, let's not talk too much in this video. Not really sure how this is gonna work because I'm trying to fit me and Odie in one suitcase. But the thing is that we're going to be staying longer than we usually do when we go out. So when we go out, shorter times we normally pack 2 luggages. Now it's like the time extend to a longer period, and I am here trying to still make 1 luggage work. But don't talk about work, but let's see how that department will go. Alright people, so if you're new, please subscribe. If you're always watching, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like. Stop right there, so pause the video. If you see any comment down there, yeah, you can go continue and add to it. But if down the blank too, still leave a comment and say, hey, I'm here, you know. I appreciate it. So let's get right into the video. You and I, just you and I, only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. So we can fly
is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground. So we can fly again. So we can fly again. Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change.
Hi guys, so far this is not part neat, you know. I never, like, literally this is not part neat, so I'm gonna know if everything I go whole, but I could have done a better job. But anyways, we still have more space, still have a few, one or two things to fit in. I'm leaving over here for like some special stuff, so yeah, so I'm gonna see how much more I can hold in this. All right, so I came with the additional stuff to fit in here, so let's see how best I can get the things to fit over this side, because as I said, this side I'm leaving it for special stuff, because I'm actually taking some extra stuff for something that's gonna go on. Stay tuned for that in the video as well. So yeah, so let's see what's gonna go. So yeah, well, I'm here soon, guys. So I had to move over to this side, which means that I am going to need a second suitcase, because shoes no pocket. I am taking some like hair supply stuff, babe white shirt, merino underpants, my bra, my underwears, them not in this yet, with cologne, with lotion, all of them stuff, them my makeup stuff. Even though I was thinking about taking my makeup pan, I left it in Claire, and hopefully I can remind my mom to tell her to give dad my makeup kit. Yeah, I have the big kit organized, but I don't even bother with those stuff anymore, because it's too hard late, you know, the makeup thing, so you know. But this weekend is a very hectic one, and all those stuff I got needed, so I forgot, might as well we just carry the organizer and just have everything all organized. So you see me going to this side here, which means I have to go get the other suitcase. So yeah, so guys, so as mentioned, I would be needing a second suitcase. So this is the second suitcase. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and I hope everything can fit between these two stuff. I'm gonna have to have one little bag on my side, a jar go anyway, because I hate that stuff. So this side is fully packed, and this side I have to had what am I gonna add to here? So babe white shirt and those, you know, stuff, and I hope all the shoes them can fit over here. So yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to finish the vlog with all of this finished and put aside and all of that, because I have to go put some makeup brushes to soak, because they're really dirty, and them need for wash because I need them to take with me. The wig for bleach, not sure if that is going to be done today. Oh, and babe chose the red wig. The red wig. Well, I'm not red. What color? I bleached it and mature body friend. Let's see. So babe chose this one. So oh no, this is the one I got on my head. Yeah. So I need to wash it. I was actually thinking about, you know what, my hair can go on, but you know what, Tash? Fix up yourself, friend. Fix up yourself. Yeah. So mega customize this week some more. The party needs to be plucked, so we need to pluck it. We need to bleach the lace. Need to get it started out, comb out, whatever I'm gonna do to it. Curl it up, start it out, put it on my head, and I mean probably next vlog you guys will be seeing this will be the wig on my head, not looking like this. So I hope you guys do please like this video. Don't forget to share this video, share my channel with someone. I think I need to do a subscriber shout out, so let me go grab my tablet. Oh my god, I'm just back and forth. Let me go grab my tablet and shout out some people. All right guys, so going all the way back down to the vlog that you guys thought, that some persons thought this man left this comment, I'm just delete it, not even go over it. If you guys saw it, then yeah, you are a lucky one. But as I go up and I see that man, he has been so irritating. Ugh. Oh my god. So the man is just annoying. So alright, so I'm going back to that video and I'm gonna shout out some new people who left a comment. So Crystal Lee, she said, laugh out loud, it means a fun time for him, not light bill. Sister, it means light bill too, because if the game is played every day, then the light bill is gonna go up. Yay. New Sabrina vlogs. Which goat me ear Tash? Listen, my neighbor goat over the bush. Over there, sir. Past me gate, past the fence. Them outside has some goat over there. Them outside over there, meh. Yeah. So, yeah. I want to shout out some new people. What is it? Shania Johnson. Shout out to you. She said she looks so good without makeup. Thank you so much. Like, I get the vibe, like, say, okay, Tasha, you don't look too bad without makeup, because I'm a makeup girl from ever since, just because I have this thing in my head that, girl, you're so, like, you're getting old, you don't need to wear makeup that often, and you know, just rock and roll. But then I was going through Facebook and I saw some photos. I was showing my teacher friend at school, Miss Jackson, and I said, Miss, look at me. I was showing her some throwback photos too, and like, obviously I throwback photos, because if I said look on me, then it will be throwback. So I was like saying to her that, Miss, this is the me I know. This me here, I don't know this Tash, but the me that you're seeing in those pics, that's the me I know. But I don't know, that's one reason why I'm trying to lose the weight, because with me having on the weight, it's like it makes me feel not so, you know, excited to fix up myself, to put on my clothes. It's like my face pretty, but then I don't feel comfortable in the body part. So yeah, but I hope there's a change coming soon for me. I need to be the Tash that I once was. I need to. When I take pride in my ear, take pride in my face, take pride in myself, take pride in everything. I hope I will be there pretty soon. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're always watching, I really do appreciate you. If you're always watching and you're not commenting, I still really do appreciate it, because watching is the main key right here. I just want you guys to leave a comment to let me know that you know you not enjoy the video and whatever. But watching is the main key right here. Okay? So like the video, that is also important too as well, because when you like the video, YouTube knows exactly what to do with my video. Push it to a bigger audience. And right now I am almost at 2K subscribers, and I really do appreciate every single one of you out there. Me probably know the type when you hear me say I appreciate it is like on a seat on my face, because I'm not that pity person. I'm not like that pity, you know, sad kind of person. But I really do appreciate it, because this actually do a lot for me. Like, even though I am a teacher, it's like extra something for me, and that's why I put out so much effort in YouTube. Like, I might not be one of the best A quality persons, but I really do put out the best I can. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Mega finish decide what is supposed to go in the suitcase in there. So my bed mess up. Well, my bed not mess up, but it is messy. And I'm definitely not gonna clean up that today. When I'm ready, just like a lie down night and go to bed. Yeah, it's just one of those days. So that's what's up, guys. That's what's really up. As I said, I have a makeup brush and wash the ear for started and all of that knick-knack. So I hope you guys really do enjoy this video, and I'll see you in another one. Until then, bye.